another video, and today we're doing this challenge called the best paper airplanes wins, I guess. Whee! So, okay, hold it. Okay. So we're gonna make this. Wait, where's your paper? It's over there. Okay. Is that Navi's?
It's mine. This is how it's gonna turn out.
Okay.
It's gonna be like perfect.
And so guys, I took a paper aeroplane and another paper because I want to test it out which paper plane fly the best. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. Back guys. So we're gonna make our paper aeroplane starting from me. So I'm just gonna make it average, normal one.
I'm just gonna lay down and do it.
Yeah. Do you know how to make a paper plane? Comment down below if you know how to make a paper plane. Everybody knows. Yeah. I think we might decorate this, okay guys? So you guys are gonna see our decorations.
Yeah. Comment down below whose is the best decorations.
Yeah.
Where's that one?
In the house.
Let's just go check on him.
Doing good, Nicole?
Yeah.
I am.
You're done?
So this is my average paper airplane. Okay,
you have to name it.
Okay, I'm naming mine Turbo. Turbo. I'm naming mine Super Turbo. Hey, you can't copy my name.
Yeah, that's cheating.
Okay, I'm naming mine Super Fast Flash. Okay, Flash.
Flash, okay.
Oh,
So
my
let's
other
decorate Guys, let's go decorate. We're gonna test it out here, guys.
Yeah.
Let's test it out now.
Okay. Let's test the first one.
Which is the old one?
It goes. Oh, that's really fast. Let's test this
Here?
one out. Whoa!
Oh, it got stuck.
God.
It got stuck.
Oh my God, guys! I can't help.
It got stuck up there.
Ow!
It got stuck.
Ow!
Take it out.
Guys, look at me!
Guys, it's one up in the cracks. It's in the crack. Okay, we're gonna take it out like that.
Well, how did it get stuck up there?
Oh, there. Came down.
Guys, how did it get stuck up there?
That's crazy.
Guys, that was not. That doesn't count, guys.
So you gotta go restart.
Okay, here. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's further.
That went an inch further.
Guys, let's see how mine goes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, what happened? Oh my God, guys, that was a magical miracle. Look at that.
That's good.
Listen. Okay, so
It's time to decorate.
guys, actually, this works the best, so I'm gonna test it out again.
There's a car coming, by the way. Don't wait. The car passed.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Do it now. 3, 2,
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Trash. That was trash.
Guys, no. Okay, guys, that's not flash. 3, 2, 1.
Whee! I don't know where it is
Oh,
now.
look at that! Look at that! It's an elevator.
Go. Okay, it's time. It's time for decoration.
I want another paper.
No. Get only one turn. Where's your decoration?
One
thing?
paper, not turn.
Turbo. Remember, my name is Turbo.
I'm using this
What
one.
did they do? Let's go check on
I
Nickel.
want to retry it.
You gotta just start drawing. I want to check on Nickel. What are you doing right now?
I'm putting extra sharp look. Number one. I'm number one.
Okay, go.
I call number one.
What are you doing? I'm number one. TURBO. Number one.
Wait, leave a comment down below if you know Big Shungus.
Okay, that's really inappropriate. It's inappropriate because I call fat. Whee!
What? Okay, guys, when I'm saying you, it doesn't go properly.
Whee!
Wait, let me try throwing it. Let me try throwing it. Wait, where's my monster?
There's Navalon building a paper aeroplane.
Guys,
Let's see yours. Like it? Throw it.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna throw Nickel's paper airplane. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Guys, look. Okay, now I'm gonna throw mine. 3, 2, 1.
Let's see Navalon's paper airplane now.
Could you put this?
Wait, I forgot to do one more thing.
Give it to Navalon. In the box. Not in the box.
I want the green one. What are you gonna write?
Guys, I wanna...
What's your name? Or your thing?
Hashtag.
No hashtags. I'm just kidding. You can. What? Hashtag? What?
Hashtag Navalon.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Hashtag Iniyan. Hashtag Turbo if you think I'm gonna win. Hashtag the super flash.
Hashtag Navalon if he wants to win.
Guys, comment down below who's gonna win. And guys, comment down below if you want the cameraman face reveal.
No, don't do it. Don't do
We're not gonna do it, but if there's lots of comments and likes and subscribers, we'll reveal the face. Yeah, the cameraman is actually in one of the Project Zergo. No, he's
No, Project Zorgo is all fake.
Yeah, it's all fake.
You still watch that?
I'm just kidding.
So the cameraman lives there. That's
Guys,
all you know.
If you want to see the cameraman below, you gotta subscribe to his channel and like and turn on the bell near the subscribe button if you like the video. Okay, and let's get started to the race. Let's do this. Another.
Whee!
Guys, mine is going pretty high. It's not going pretty far. So we're gonna go in that hill over there. If you guys could see, and let's go.
No, I'll have it.
Guys, if you want us to hunt for Pennywise, leave like and subscribe too.
See, my brother and mine
Okay.
ride down. What are you saying? If you want to see,
Don't tell me.
my brother and his friend to ride down this bike. Ride down this bump with a bike. Comment down
Guys,
below.
I'm not gonna go in there.
Yeah, guys, we're not.
Pennywise lives in there.
Let's go.
Because there's someone living in there. Guys, I'm pretty sure someone is living in there.
You gotta stay lost, Pop.
Okay, guys.
Navi is dead.
Guys, you saw the drain, right? I'm pretty sure someone is living in there. Do you know why? Because at 3 a.m. I saw someone was putting their hand out from the drain. So I think someone is definitely living there. You gotta comment down below.
At home?
Oh no, Nico has it.
Grab the other one.
Navi, put the markers at
No,
home.
Nico has the.
Nico has it. Navi, I threw that.
Why?
Do it.
Why?
Yeah. Even Nico ought to go.
Okay, have it.
Okay. Who's gonna want to go first?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Both. Rock, paper, scissors.
Whoever loses, they go first.
Okay. Yeah.
No wins go first.
Yeah, wins. Cause it's
Rock,
more.
paper, scissors, shoot.
What do you get?
No!
You get hand. You got scissors and you got hand.
No, guys. I'm just gonna lose because mine is so bad.
Okay. Who won? Who won? Nicole. Nicole, who won?
What?
Who won?
You won?
Yeah.
The rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Oh, I won.
Okay, you go first. Then.
Okay, I gotta leave it over there. Yeah.
So guys, his is right here. Iniyan goes next, and then Navi on.
3, 2, 1.
Woo. No, he won.
No, I won.
Yeah,
Yeah, I won.
guys, it goes here.
Yeah, I won, Nicole.
Yep, he won.
No, wait.
He won. He was there, and then Nicole's here.
Guys, it was a tie.
No.
Yeah, it was a tie.
You're moved. Look, guys, I'll give it.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Okay.
So let's move on to the second round.
Let's move on to the next challenge. Guys, let's move on to the next challenge.
Yeah, Indian one.
Okay, the next challenge is the highest.
Yeah,
So this time even Navi is gonna participate. You wanna? I can't throw high. It's okay. Okay, who wants to do rock, paper, or?
Rock, paper.
Okay, Navi. Rock, paper.
Scissors, shoot.
Who won?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You won.
No, you gotta battle with Navi.
Yeah, you gotta battle with Navi.
Rock, paper, Navi. Navi, rock,
Okay,
paper.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you won, so you start.
Okay, guys, comment down below who's gonna win this
Comment
round.
down below who's gonna win. But how are we gonna know how high it goes?
Hashtag Navi if Navi is gonna win, or hashtag Iniyan if Iniyan is gonna win.
Okay.
Hashtag
This guy too.
No,
He was,
no, I'm
okay,
winning.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, that was pretty high.
That was not high.
That was high until that branch. Guys, that's how high it was.
What?
Navi's turn.
Oh, Iniyan.
Navi went below the tree, so
Okay,
yeah.
Iniyan.
Now your turn. Your turn.
Guys, let's move on to the third round.
No, you never
Oh,
start.
yeah. Okay. I will go first.
Nickel won. Yep, Nickel won.
Nicole won this challenge.
Okay, let's move on to the third challenge.
Yeah!
Okay, the third challenge is the widest, whoever goes. The longest. Yeah, the longest item. Last time, what did you do? What? First challenge. We did longest. Okay, but now we're gonna go do it together. Okay? Okay, wait.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow!
Yes! This was Nickel. And then this was Iniyan right here. That was like a mile away. I'm just kidding, it's not a mile.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you the next challenge. The next challenge is you gotta go to the tree. After you go to the tree, you gotta run from here and lay down and roll down the hill. After you roll down the hill, you gotta run again, and you gotta stop, and you gotta put the paper airplane, and if it crossed the tree, you won.
So that's how you go. So this is how we go, guys. So we go from this tree, we run, roll down this hill, and then stop, and then you throw the paper airplane up there. That's how it works. Guys, this depends on time.
Guys,
so,
see the squirrels. See the
Oh,
squirrels.
that's a squirrel. Where is it?
You could
It's
zoom
gone.
in.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
It depends on time. So on my watch,
Rock,
let's
paper,
put the
scissors.
time. Like stopwatch. Even I have the same watch. Yay. What are you guys doing? Okay.
Okay,
I'm gonna restart this. Okay, Nicole, you wanna go first? No, I'm going first. Okay, you go.
I'll put the stopwatch.
No, I'll put it in 3, 2. Stop. I'm gonna put my paper aeroplane here. I gotta fly from this.
Yeah, you pick it up and then yeah.
Okay. 3, 2,
1.
go. Hey, you got it. Okay.
You forgot it. You forgot the
No,
paper.
I gotta get it.
Roll. Go up. Too dizzy. Now you gotta go back down. No, Nico, you gotta go back down. Roll. Now you throw it.
Here?
Yeah.
No, from there.
Okay, you get up the hill now, and now throw.
What?
You gotta go. You gotta
Okay,
throw.
that took 46 seconds. 46.3 seconds.
Cool.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Okay.
But I think I will win.
Okay, I'll start it. Wait, I gotta put the stopwatch. Stopwatch.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Wait, where?
Wait, you go start here. You put your paper airplane there.
Why? Damn, that's too hard.
No, you put it where Nickel was.
Where was it?
It was here. No? His yours was not here.
I was over here.
But your paper airplane was here.
Okay.
So he goes here. Start behind the tree. 3, 2, 1.
No.
No, you don't. Okay, however you want. Roll. Get up. Throw it.
Yeah, and do another time. You gotta do another time.
The time was 17 seconds.
No, you gotta do 2 times.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah.